Hello everyone, this is Nicholas from Cableless LED Screen Company. Today I'll show you our A Pro series indoor high-end stage rental LED panels. The 5 pixel pitch LED panels for rental offers super high definition video and transform your event with cutting-edge visuals. A Pro series LED wall is ideal for speaking events, concerts, weddings, any event where you would like to show some video content. We believe A Pro series LED panels is sure to be your go-to visual solution for events and make your event captive and outstanding. Now let me show you more details about it. It has various kinds of pixel pitches, P1.9, P2.6, and P3.9. The panel size is 500 mm by 500 mm. The thickness of the panel is 75 mm. For the brightness, it's over 1000 nits, and it also supports front and rear maintenance. Thanks to its ultra-thin and light design, the weight of it is only 6.5 kilograms per panel, easy to operate by one person, and it saves labor. Long-lasting platform, multiple pixel pitch available, potential for further upgrade, saving purchase cost. Quick assembly, fast locking system allows for fast operation, also ensuring the flatness of whole LED screen. Intelligent module design, module replacement freely up and down, left and right, is easy operation and maintenance. Module demagnetized design. Twist the knob and the module will get demagnetized automatically. No tool needed to do the module rear service. It supports front and rear service, module front maintenance, full rear service, ensuring stability in various installation types. Security cable design, protecting module from falling down when doing maintenance. Semi-automatic edge protection, incorporate semi-automatic edge protection on each panel corner, thereby reducing pixel damage dramatically just with lightly press. Independent power supply design, pluggable power box without cable connection, quick operation when doing maintenance, tool-free. Various power box lock available. Curved splicing optional. Achieve negative 10 degree to positive 10 degree arc splicing. More possibility for creative design. 90 degree right angle splicing optional. Ideal for cube column solution. It supports flexible installation types, hanging or stacking. Additionally, we provide one-stop purchase. Besides of LED display and package, we can provide a various control system, power distribution box, steel structure, and 3D video source, improving the usage of the display and help customers create more possibilities for events. For all of our products, we provide 5 years warranty. Our engineer will do irregular inspection for your LED screen during the warranty period. We also provide free technical consult and training, helping you use and maintain the product better, so as to maximize the value of your product and ensure the worry-free use. If you are interested in this product and our service, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.